With the 7:30 a.m. launch completed, the Catapult crews could take it easy for a while. Launches were scheduled every hour and a half, continuing until late at night, and there were no relief crews. But at least now there was a 45-minute break before it was time to go up on deck again. And while they rested, the pilots, virtually prisoners during the launch, were now in their proper element. A little before 9 a.m., the movement back to the ship began. By 9:10, the 9 a.m. launch of 22 planes was almost over. Soon, the planes that had been in the air would be able to land.